This is the new coin that I want you to join now, a Tabichain. So just do the needful and you can join the communities, follow them on Twitter and also on Telegram. So the first thing we do is click on the Telegram, go. So you join the Telegram group, Tabi announcements. So you go back, please, you have to take this Tabi coin serious. This is very legit and it's going to pay a good amount of money. You follow on Twitter, that's the next thing you do. Click the go. Okay, follow them on Twitter, turn on the notification bell. Okay, so go back to your Telegram and click on next step. Then you get your bonus coin and then you will get to this place like this. Now, how are you going to earn your coins? You can upgrade from one level to another when you have enough coin to increase your mining speed and others, just like the way you mine your Vatos wallets and others. Okay, then when you click on this Earn button, when you click on Earn, you can do daily task. For logging in every day, you get 500 coin for it. So every day you click on this daily reward, and also don't forget to do the task, join Telegram group and all that. And also you can earn more coins by inviting more people. Invite at least 3 persons. Okay, but your invitation should be shared to others so that you'll be able to get more coin. Okay, so this is the second way to earn. And then the next is you click on airdrop. When you click on this airdrop, this is also a task list in which you need to join the official Telegram group of Tabichain coin. Okay, click on join official Telegram. Okay, click on join. Okay, that's the official Telegram group. Then you go back and then you click check, and then okay, then this linking of Tabi wallet address. Okay, you have to download Tabi wallet. Okay, so you can quickly go to Play Store. Okay, and go to Play Store and search for Tabi wallets. Okay, it's currently not on Play Store, so you can leave this task for now, the Tabi wallet task. I'm going to get this one done in the next video, so stay tuned for the next video concerning the Tabi. So when you click on this game, your mining will last for 8 hours. So when you click on start mining, okay, you click. Okay, you can get your referral link from here. You can copy your referral link. You can click just invite a friend, and you can do as if you want to send to someone on Telegram, and then you can copy the link and share it to WhatsApp if you want. Okay, you can copy the link and share it to someone that is on WhatsApp and others like that. That's just how to go about it. Okay. Which kind of network with this now? Hmm? Okay.